Hello everyone. In this video clip, let us try to understand what are keywords and identifiers of Python. First, let us see what are Python keywords. Keywords are known as reserved words or they are called as special words in programming language. Why they are called special meaning? These words have special meaning to the Python interpreter. That means we user cannot change the meaning of the keywords. Those keywords will be meant for some specific purpose. We'll be just using those words in our programming language. We can use keyword in our program only for the purpose for which it has been defined. You can see there are list of keywords which are present in the table, and all the keywords are case sensitive. That means all the keywords will be written in lowercase only few words. For example, bool values like true, false and none, the first alphabet will be capital, rest will be lowercase. Those are case sensitive. Everything will be written in lowercase only. You can see some of the keywords like for, while, those are called as looping statements we'll be using when we do the program. Break, continue, those are called as jumping statements. Bool values true, false, is, or, while, with, try, all these are the keywords. They are meant for some specific language. When this keyword is used in the programming, it means something to the Python interpreter. Let's see what are identifiers in Python. So, how are we identified? We are identified by our names. Similarly, if you want to identify a variable or a function or any other entities in a program, those will be identified with the help of identifiers. But whenever we give names to those elements of the program, we need to follow the rules of the identifiers. Here are the list of rules. The first rule is the name should begin with uppercase or lowercase, or it can begin with underscore. That means you can start the identifier in a program with uppercase, lowercase, or it with underscore. The second rule is name can be followed by any combination of characters, that is lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, 0 to 9 digits, or with only one special character, that is underscore. But you can't start identifier with digit. First you should write some letters, that is alphabets, then you can write digit, but you can't start identifier with a digit. The third rule is it can be of any length. That means identifier can be of any length, but we prefer to be short length. Whenever you are naming something in the program, we give it as short. Around some max length will be around 24 characters. And one more important thing is you can't use keywords. We have discussed previously what are keywords. Keywords cannot be used as a identifiers. Keywords cannot be used as a identifiers, and also no special symbols is allowed in the identifiers. That is underscore, only underscore is allowed. Other than underscore, like percentage, greater than, less than, dollar symbol, as symbol, exclamatory mark, all these symbols are not allowed when naming the identifiers. Now, let us see which are the valid identifiers and which are the invalid identifiers. Look at the first one, serial number. You can see there serial underscore number NO dot. It is an invalid. The reason is dot is not allowed when naming the identifiers. Look at the second example, total marks. Total underscore marks, yes, it is valid identifier. 1 st underscore room, that is 1 is a digit. You can't start identifier with a digit, so it is an invalid. Next is total. It is not underscore, it is hyphen. Total hyphen MAR, it is invalid because hyphen is not allowed in the identifier. Next 100, it is valid identifier because it is having the sequence of characters. Yes, it is allowed, it is valid. Next, if you see underscore, I told you only underscore is allowed when you name the identifier. Underscore, and you can begin the identifier with underscore also. Underscore percentage is valid. Next example, you can see total marks, total space marks. Space is not allowed when you are naming the identifier, so it is invalid. The last one you can see a bool value true, TRUE. It is invalid identifier. The reason is you can't use keyword as the identifier name, so it is invalid. Thank you for watching the video. If you have really liked the video, do subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.